So hey guys, how are you doing? Today I will be making another video for Facebook tricks and tips. The first video which I have uploaded regarding the Facebook tips, how to get nearby people from Facebook is a ultimate hit, and people are asking, lot of people are viewing and asking me that what I will do if I don't know the person name and how can I find that person. So frankly speaking, I was also not aware of that trick, but until now I just found one other trick how you can get people by location, and how you can get people who are working in some organization without knowing their names. Also, you can browse people and you can contact them if you want to contact, and by this method you can get a lot of people who are residing in your locality, or also who are working in your organization. So this trick was there before also, but this trick is now working in only computer Facebook website or laptop Facebook website, that is the desktop site. So what you need to do is you need to go to your computer and log in into your Facebook account, and then there will be a search option. So here you can search in two ways. Like if you want to search people by organization, you can do that by typing in the organization name. If I type in Tata Consultancy Services and okay, yeah, and you press enter, it will show you the pages of Tata Consultancy Services, that organization. If you click on people, boom, this is the latest trick. If you click on people, you will get all the people that are working in that organization. So you can see, or previously they have worked in that organization. So you can see all the people here that are showing that are working in that organization. You can click on them and you may contact if you want to, that is up to you. I will only recommend to contact people whom you know, and this trick only goes if you know someone, and then only contact. If you want to contact unknown people, that is in your hands. That I will not recommend. So this is a thing, this is a trick which you can use. Other than that, if you want to know people who are working in that organization in your hometown or in some other place, that also you can do. Just click on the city, come to that city area in the filter results, and click on the area you want to browse people. So if I click on Bangalore, it will show the people who are working in Bangalore and staying in Bangalore. So this is a person, okay, this person is working in Bangalore. You can view that, and if you want to contact them, you may contact, but don't contact unknown stranger people. That is not good always. If you want to contact, that's in your hand. I will not recommend. So also city wise you can do that. Also education wise, like in which college, school you have studied, or that you want to browse people who have studied to particular in some particular school or college, you can do that. Or else you can also filter them by friends of friends. So sometimes what happens, you want to know people who have mutual friends and who are working in that organization or that area. So if people have mutual friends only, they will show. So here if I click on friends on friends, these people have mutual friends, and then only they are showing here. So this person is staying in Bangalore, working in that organization, and also have a mutual friend. That's why it is showing in the list which I have filtered. So this is a trick by which you can get to know more people, or you may contact someone who is known to you, or you are searching someone, maybe you are not getting by their name, you can get with this filter results. Other than that, this is the thing you can do. Other than that, you can simply type, very sorry, let me go to Facebook. Yeah, so other than that, you can simply type Bangalore, and you can come to people. here all the people who are staying in Bangalore, that will show, and you can filter the results as I have told before. You have to select filters, like whatever filter you want to select, and you can filter people, and you may contact them if you know them, or you may contact them if you want to contact. So that is in your hand. And these are the like tricks which I get to know, and these tricks you can apply. Other than that, there are few tricks which is a good like which you can use apart from this, that I will cover in some other videos. For now I am like I have told you the trick. If you don't know the name and only want to browse people by area or by organization, you can do that. So thank you guys. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and also put that bell notification up so that every time I post you can get a notification. The next video will be regarding some great trick in Facebook, which I will be making very soon. So subscribe and also keep watching. Thank you guys.